Top 9. Best bodyboards, in you to ride them. That crash you hear as the water hit the sand is the pleading voice of the ocean calling to you. Number 9. California board company Mmag. The CBC Mmag bodyboard is the upgraded version of the Switch that offers a larger board with higher performance. The thing that makes this board more unique is the molded arm and hand grips that help keep your arms and hands right where they need to be as you ride the waves. Excellent board for larger riders. Included coil leash for comfort. Offers higher performance. Number 8. California board company Switch riders. The Switch board is available in 33 and 39-inch long boards that work well for riders that are a maximum of 125 pounds. The core of the Switch is EPS foam with XPE top coating and HDPE bottom skin. Strong build quality. Great board for kids and smaller beginners. Holds shape well against severe use. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best bodyboards or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. BoToys Bodyboard Lightweight as Foam Bodyboard. BoToys has manufactured a quality board that has the features and durability needed for someone who wants to buy a board that they won't have to replace after just one vacation. The EPS foam core offers the same flotation. Built last for multiple vacations. Options available for both kids and adults. Great beginner board. Number 6. Younger 41-inch Super offers a shadow of performance boards at a budget level. The bodyboards are made from EPS foam that makes them an excellent choice for beginners. What sets the Younger brand apart from other beginner boards is the shape and skin. Younger builds their boards with a skin of XP foam. Excellent choice for beginners. Board for intermediate riders. Strong and durable build. Number 5. Boogie Board Fiber Clad. This thing to the cheapies you will see at beachside stores, but this board has a better and more durable build than you will find on the styrofoam board. This bodyboard is made from high-density EPS foam that will make it more rigid and resistant to breaking than the styrofoam boards. Perfect size and weight for kids. Good budget price to introduce. Decent build quality and durability. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best bodyboards or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. On the Wave. The Wave weapon has a curved crescent tail and bottom rear channels that help keep the board moving forward while remaining stable. The channels let you attack waves with abandon as they force water more rapidly out the rear of the board and give you more speed as you slide into shore. Excellent bodyboard for adults and kids. Polypropylene bottom coating adds speed. The durable build will last years. Number 3. BPS Storm Bodyboard. This board is one of the best boards for picking up for the family since it is at a budget price but will still give you the durability and performance you want. The EPS foam core makes the Storm float well enough to hold up boarders of up to about 185 pounds. High quality build. Good board for beginners. Still offers fun to intermediate boarders. Number 2. Morey 44 inches Big Kahuna, eyed to larger riders. The 44-inch length and dual composite carbon stringer give this bodyboard the buoyancy and backbone to support riders, like me, who are taller than 6 feet and push 200 pounds across the waves. Smooth ride. Excellent choice for larger-bodied riders. The build will last multiple seasons. Number 1. Morey Mach 7 42 inches, recognizable boards on the beach and for a good reason. The Mach 7 is a solid board with a P-core that offers durability and a smooth ride for almost any rider. The channeled bottom and slick skin let this board effortlessly across the water to let you ride the waves. Suitable for beginner to intermediate riders. Good for almost any water. Durable and long-lasting build. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best bodyboards or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.